Now here's two tests that can show what a Dr-Ion bracelet does. First of all, have a customer and shake out their hands like this. Then you ask them to make an O-ring. Now the point of this exercise is to test the strength of the O-ring. So one thing to remember is customers are going to have a relative strength. If someone's pulling at a 2, when you go in and you pull on them, make sure that you're not pulling it at a 10. When you make the O, gently apply pressure to separate. Do it slowly. Use 2 fingers. Now, when you're doing this, every customer is going to have a different strength. So be sure not to rip it out and blow it out. Be relative for the customer. You go in there and you're applying the pressure. Next, what I'm going to have you do is take the Dr-Ion bracelet. Now, when you have them put on the Dr-Ion bracelet, you make sure that they squeeze their hands together. It brings blood into the wrist and matches all the negative ions that flow into it. So have them make the same circle. Repeat the test again, but this time the customer and you will notice that it's much harder to do. They're physically stronger. It's something for a customer to interact and see within your store. So next, have your customers shake out the wrist. And now this is important. Have them take a stance as wide as their shoulders, and when they do this, have them make a fist and place the fist here, strongly at their sides. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull down on their arm. Do you see how quickly that comes away from me? You repeat that for the customer, for them to see. It's a very simple motion. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take a Dr-Ion power bracelet. Same scenario. When a customer gets it on, have them push blood into their hand. They're going to feel the negative ions coming into them. Now you place them at the sides again, and right away you can see the difference. It's much more difficult to pull it down. Now the reason we do these tests is that the Dr-Ion family, we realize that this is an engaging product. This isn't a product that you just set up in the side of your store. You set this next to your cash register. You have your employees wear it. When a customer asks, what is that? You explain to them that electrons are flowing through your body. You feel it in your lungs. At night you had a problem with snoring, no more because so much oxygen gets to your nose. You're gonna find that when you wear this and are able to speak about a product, customers aren't gonna buy just one. They're gonna buy one for their entire family. You're going to find it difficult to answer some of your customers' questions. We have an FAQ on our website. That's www.dr-ionUSA.com that is filled with splendid information. You're going to find a wide variety of information about our products that will be able to solve any question a customer brings to you. So be sure to visit our website, www.dr-ionUSA.com.